Greetings everyone. This video is all about phrases. Now, let's get started with this topic. What is a phrase? It's a group of words. It is having no subject-verb combination. It has no meaning if used alone. If it is used in a sentence, it has unique meaning. Let's understand this with the help of an example. A beautiful home. Now, is it a group of words? Yes, it is. Is this group of words have subject and verb? No. So, no subject verb combination is there in the phrase a beautiful home. Is it making any sense when used alone? No. Through a group of words, a beautiful home, we are able to understand that we are talking about home. But is it conveying any meaning of thought? No. So, it has no meaning if used alone. Let me use this group of words in a sentence. I built a beautiful home. Is this group of words now conveying any meaning? Yes, it is. So, a beautiful home satisfies all the four conditions and hence it is a phrase. Take a look at these group of words. Full of books, in the room, a ghost in the bed, very quickly. Now, are these group of words making any kind of sense? I'm sure not. So, we can call these group of words as phrases. Let's form these phrases to form sentences. My room is full of books. A fierce dog is in the room. I saw a ghost in the bed. The boy is running very quickly. As we have noticed, the meaning of each phrase becomes clear when it combines with other words to form a sentence. So, always remember a phrase does not make complete sense when it stands by itself. It always needs the support of additional word to make a complete sentence. So, again, we'll just discuss the definition of a phrase. A phrase is a group of words acting as one word. It doesn't have a subject and predicate. A phrase does not make complete sense when it stands by itself. So, this is all about phrases. Thank you so much.